back again with another video. Today I wanted to show you a quick iOS 15 tip. So say there is something on Google that you want to save. All you'd have to do is go to your Google account, whatever it is. So I'm going to type in iPhone 13 Pro Max. I'm going to go to images. Okay, so say I wanted to save any one of these pictures. So all I would have to do, hold down on the picture, slide down, slide that bar up, find my gallery app, and just throw it in there just like that. Easy and simple. We'll do it again. So we just go here, whatever picture you want. Let's do this one here. Hold down on it, slide the bar up, go into your gallery app, and just like that, it saves pictures. That is so easy and so simple. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel. I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.